What's going on, Brews? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be talking about if you should install iOS 14 beta. Before we get into this, I highly recommend everybody check out Bovada. This is an amazing place to play slot and poker games. Now, I've been a member myself for the last 8+ years, which is why I'm recommending it to you guys. It's great entertainment, but they do 1.5 million in weekly tournament prizes. They've got over 150+ slot games, and all of these games optimize and play perfectly on iOS and Android. So I have a link in both the description and comments if you guys want to check this out. All right, so truthfully, I think iOS 14 is probably one of the biggest updates we've seen in a long time. It's a lot different from iOS 13 in the fact that you can now add widgets, which is awesome. There's an app library in here. You've also noticed, the Apple Music has changed colors on here to that pink color, which is pretty cool. But, widgets are awesome. I think, honestly, it's hard for me to even go back to iOS 13 at this point because I've really gotten used to iOS 14 for the last few weeks. Now, I'm going to add a couple different widgets here. You've got the clock right there that looks pretty freaking slick, right? The stack widgets is also really cool. They added, a bigger version of this. So stack allows you to, basically stack widgets on top of each other. It's really cool. And then, of course, there's a bunch of other widgets that you can add on there as well. Another thing that is cool is the memojis on here is also been updated, so you've got some different updates and features on this, a little bit more customization, if you will, but it's just another thing that they've added on here. But let me add one more widget on here because I want to just kind of stack one more on top of here. I'll probably do the Apple Music one because it does look really cool. And I do anticipate on more updates to iOS 14 that they're going to continue adding more and more widgets, which is just awesome because I'm definitely all for it. So let's throw that baby up there. All right, man, it looks pretty slick, right? All right, the other thing too, I really do like app library on here. This is just a really cool way that they've allowed you to basically organize all your apps without having to do anything on your part. So do I think, iOS 14 beta is worth installing? Absolutely. I think once you get used to it, you're never going to want to go back to iOS 13. So check it out as soon as possible. Now, I do want to end things here with some COD mobile gameplay. I'm going to do some Juggernaut mode. It's a new mode that they've added onto this game. So let's get into the gameplay.
Juggernaut. Enemy in sight. Grenade out. Target's in sight.